Hello everyone. So I wish you all the very best for your mains examination, and here I am discussing few topics that can be important for your mains, right? The topics that I have identified here is based on some research, based on the current affairs and the pattern of examination of UPSC Anthropology optional. Now let's look at some of the topics. I have divided some traditional topics and some current affair based topics. So the first one you see here, that there are some concepts, scholars, or you can say the question like, I will not be explaining everything given in this PDF because it will be too lengthy for me to explain. So say NMS, nature man spirit complex, can be relevant because of some protests going on, Hasdev Aranya forest protest, or the Sarna Dharam movement, or the Great Nicobar project. So this way this is important, and if it is important, so MARC became important, MARC, Man Area Resource Corporation of Majumdar, right? Similarly, some scholars like PC Joshi died recently, so वो काफ़ी important हो जाते हैं. David Reich have his analysis on India Genome Project. Its implications fall on the idea of Aryan debate or origin of caste system. So he became relevant in that way. Leela Dubey is important because of the feminist movement, right, and current understanding of gender and all. So her work on gender, feminism is very relevant. Okay. Similarly, if we talk about, we have given you a list of some scholars, some archaeologists, some anthropologists, and that is based on all these current affairs and all. Then ethnicity has become very important since the origin of this war of Russia and Ukraine, right? क्योंकि वो ethnic element उसमें है काफ़ी, ठीक है. Indigenization and syncretism has become important, right? The idea of Homi Bhabha and many other scholars also become very relevant in that sense. So do read about all of these topics that I have given, and if you don't understand any topic, suppose you want some more elaborate discussion, I would be providing that too. And please write back to us for any deeper understanding on these topics, right? So these are divided in various topics: religion, symbolism, right? This is tribal studies, socio-cultural, right? Archaeology and other topics. So you just go through it. One more topic I want to highlight here is hyperreality of Guy Debord. This topic we have given in the test, and it was asked in Arunachal PCS also. So that become relevant because of the development of digital cultures nowadays, and the kind of movement, the social media movement that we are experiencing right now. Now, more importantly, there are many articles on hyperreality and the society of spectacle of Guy Debord. So not just Jean Baudrillard is important, rather Guy Debord is also important. His theory of spectacle is also important here, because सोसाइटी ऑफ स्पेक्टिकल का जो एक आर्टिकल आया था जब जो अंबानी की शादी की बात चल रही थी, राइट, एंड देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्पेक्टिकल इन्वॉल्वड इन दैट, सो दैट आइडिया वाज आल्सो रेलेवेंट हियर, राइट. जेंडर काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है क्योंकि एक तो केरला हाई कोर्ट की जजमेंट थी जिसमें कि पेरेंट डिजिग्नेट कर दिया गया था दोनों पार्टनर्स को ही, और साथ ही साथ में ट्रंप के साथ में भी जेंडर का कंसेप्ट, जेंडर के आइडियाज़ इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. Tribal Genome Project of Gujarat is important, you know that it's a current affairs. So बहुत सारे कॉन्सेप्ट जो हमने डाले हैं वो सारे प्रोबेबिलिटी के बेसिस पे है और पिछला कुछ एनालिसिस के बेसिस पे. बीके रॉय बर्मन पीछे पूछा गया है लेकिन अभी भी रेलेवेंट है क्योंकि इनको काइंड ऑफ वॉकिंग एनसाइक्लोपीडिया भी बोला जाता है. गणेश देवी क्यों इंपॉर्टेंट है? क्योंकि इनको कुछ यूनिवर्सिटी में जब वो लेक्चर देने के लिए बुलाया गया था दिल्ली के अंदर, so he was not allowed to because of some protests, so he became relevant in that sense. लालजी सिंह के नाम पे एक टेस्टिंग लैब बनाया गया है यूपी के अंदर, 2-3 दिन पहले इनॉग्रेट हुआ है, और लालजी सिंह इज़ अ वेरी फेमस मेडिकल एंथ्रोपोलॉजिस्ट, और यू कैन से जेनेटिसिस्ट फ्रॉम इंडिया, तो इनका भी काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन है. सो जस्ट रीड थ्रू दिस PDF, you would find most of the topics that are very relevant for your mains examination, right? And if you want more clarity on these topics, I'm here to help you out. Please write back to us in the video comment section itself. Thank you, all the very best. Do focus well, do choose your questions wisely, and write with your full confidence. God bless you, all the very best. Thank you.